So in this video, we're going to look at how to create a bar chart of the results of our survey using something called pivot tables. So here we have a very simple survey that we've done. Ask people just two questions: how old are you and what is your favorite snack? And we can see up here that there have been 31 responses. Now if we click on the responses tab, we can see a pie chart which shows us the summary of the responses to each question. So we can see how many people selected 18 to 20 and how many people selected 21 and above. And we can also see how many people selected each snack. But this isn't really much use to us because we need to know how many people from each group selected each snack. And we're going to use pivot tables to work that out. So the first thing we need to do is create a spreadsheet of our results. We do that by going up here to this green icon, click on Create Spreadsheet, and we can either put the information in a new spreadsheet or an existing one. We're going to use a new one, and it will automatically name it Favorite Snack Survey Responses. So we click on Create, and the spreadsheet will automatically open up, showing us our results. So here now we can see the responses from each person. So we can see that this person was 21 and above and selected chips. The next person was 18 to 20 and selected fruit. Now this is a bit more useful than the information we got from the survey itself, but it's still not enough for us to create our bar chart because we need to know how many people from each group selected each snack. And that's where the pivot table comes in. So the first thing we need to do is highlight the table, and then we go up here to Data and select Pivot Table. And it asks us if we want to do a new sheet or an existing sheet. I'm just going to select a new sheet. So a new sheet will open up, and now you can see I have an empty pivot table. So now we need to fill in the table by creating our rows and our columns. We'll start with the rows. So we want a row here for the 18 to 20 group and a row here for the 21 and above group. So we go to rows, add, and it lets us choose between age or snack. So we'll choose 21 and above. We don't want to see the grand total because that doesn't really help us, so we remove totals. Now for our columns, we want to see the snacks. So we go down here to column and we select chips. Again, we don't want to see the totals. So now we can see we have an empty table with a row for each age group and a column for each snack. So now the next thing to do is to actually fill in these boxes. We do that by going down here to values. We click on add, and again it lets us choose between the age or the snack. Now if you click the age, you'll see that the boxes fill up like that. Again, if you click the snack, you will see that they fill up the same way. But it does matter which one you select, because the one you select will change the kind of graph or chart that Google gives you. So here we want to create a bar chart where we have the snacks along the x-axis, and then for each snack we have two bars, one for the 18 to 20s and one for the 21 and above. So when we go down here to add, we need to select 21 and above. Now you can see that we have our information here. So all we have to do now is highlight our table, go up here to Insert, Chart, and automatically we will get the chart that we want, which is a group bar chart. All we have to do now is click here to change some of the labels. So we change this to snack, and we change our title to favorite snack. And now we have the chart that we need, and we can copy and paste that wherever we want to use it.